Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. These are my few previous videos and I hope you guys have already loved it. And thank you so much for your love and support. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. I have another channel which is Quirky Styling Tips. So this video will be going in the Quirky Styling Tips. Now this is a makeup look that I kind of created for this festive season. Now I think festive seasons are coming back to back and I think everybody is wondering what makeup look to create, what not to create. But this is a simple makeup look I kind of tried to create. With a very simple eye makeup with a blue liner and a simple basic lip thing and little bit of blush, highlighter and everything. So if you really wanted to know how I kind of created this look, simple festive look, do keep on watching till the end of my video and do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, comment, share, and please do subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me. That's a little bit of motivation I get from you guys to make more such videos. And do follow me on Instagram as Rituparna_Datta_Dev. And let's get started and do keep watching till the end of the video just to know how I kind of achieved this look within like 10 to 15 minutes. And yeah, let's get started. So the first step will be definitely prepping up your skin. So I actually did my face wash. So next I will be prepping my skin with Good Vibes Rose Hip Hydration Face Gel. So I've prepped up my face. I'll let that absorb for a little while because whenever we hydrate our skin, it's very important that the skin takes in all the moisture. So next thing, I'm gonna tie my hair because the hair is the last thing that I will be doing. So I will just tie my hair and then start working on the makeup. Yes, so next thing definitely after the face prep up will definitely be the lip prep up. For that I'm using this Stay Quirky lip gloss in the cinnamon. Let the lips get hydrated by the time we do our complete face part. So that is there, and immediately so I can see that everything is well hydrated in my complete skin. Then the next thing I will be starting with the primer. So I'm using this MAC Infallible primer. So this is the primer which I will be using. This mic is creating a problem. Okay, this is better. So you can use any matte primer, specifically if you are in the tropical area. I think matte primer will be the best this festive season. I usually go for matte primer because that is something I'm more comfortable with. It actually blurs any of the pores or anything which is on your skin, so it kind of blurs that thing. Okay, and we have to pat it. Okay, the next thing which we will be doing is the foundation. So I am using this high coverage waterproof foundation by Swiss Beauty. Now this is my absolute favorite foundation, which the entire festive season I'm gonna use it. So I'm just gonna apply at the back of my hands and then completely dab it all over the face. It's a complete high coverage, so be very sure. Then you can blend this with the sponge
or you can use brush. I'm using this particular brush to blend it. It is a complete high coverage foundation, by the way. Do not forget your neck area, because that is also part of the area which should be even up with your skin. So definitely don't forget that. And a little bit with this brush, you have to touch your ear part, because that should not look different. So I'm gonna blend this real quick. This is really giving me an even tone on the entire face. Okay, great. And the next thing I will be doing up with definitely is the compact or the powder, loose powder, just to set the entire foundation. Now I'm using this sugar compact banana to set the foundation, because for the longer stay of any of the makeup, it's very important that you set up with the compact or the loose powder. So this is my absolute favorite. By the way, I've made a separate review of this banana loose powder. So just in case you wanted to know, you can definitely check out the videos. Okay, so I'm done with setting of this compact. The next thing I usually do is to fill up my brows. Now that is very important, that just because after applying foundation, it completely lose the face completely lose its what to say, the configure, or you can say the edges and everything. So it's time to do the eyebrows and then definitely contour. I'm just gonna fill this. I'm using this Miniso's brow. Now this is in the brown shade. I do not use black shade because that does not look natural at all. Now you can definitely use the spoolie to completely confine it, and I'm using this is the kind of spoolie we will be using. Okay, great. So next thing depends what you would be doing. So usually I go, if I do any eye makeup, so usually I go for the eye makeup, and then lastly I use contour and blush and whatever it is. Now this is a very simple look, so this is not something which is very gaudy kind of look, but very simple look that can be created within 15 to 20 minutes. But again, if you are pro at it, it will not even take that time as well. So today I will be using for the eye makeup this Huda Beauty's Color Studio. Now this is absolute my favorite palette of this 2020, and I will as I already mentioned that I will not be doing too much. It's a very simple thing. So I will be taking so this is how the palette looks like. I will be taking this as a base, and then this, or probably a little this red one, to let's see how we do it. So first I will be placing up in the V's. I'm using the shade Clever in the Studio palette. Actually this brush I'm not really comfortable. Now that's a brush which comes with the palette. So I'm gonna cover the entire thing. I will be changing the brush because that's the brush you get with the palette, and I am really not able to blend it that smooth. So I will be taking this sort of brush. Definitely remove the excess thing. Try to build up the crease to a greater level you can. Okay, I will be taking a little white from the same palette and just gonna even out the excess thing. Now that's one of the hack. By for example, you have moved out of the area where you applied, you can definitely go for the whiter one. Definitely a shadow will have this whiter shade of it. So this is the shade which I have taken to even out the excess that is going over the sides of the eyes. Now using the same color, I will be start building up the color. Okay, and the next thing I will be going up with the lower lash line, and I will go halfway through. I'll not go the entire way. Just the halfway through. And there are sharp edges, so I'm just gonna blend it. Now I will be taking this in the upper eyelid, this color. This area specifically. it's a natural skin color, so whatever is the extra things, that is gonna swipe off. Okay, so with this help of this fluffy brush, I will remove whatever is the fallout. Now fallout will be there in every palette, so I'm just gonna remove this and blend it. Okay, now for the inner lids, I will definitely be using this color specifically because that goes with my attire that I have worn. So definitely the mic is so I will be just placing it in the mid of so almost both are the same colors. I don't know whether you are able to see the difference, but I will bring it a little closer. Okay, so I think that okay. So that is somewhere giving a close look of, this is a little a shimmery thing and this is a matte thing. So that's that. So I'll not be doing much because that is all. I'm going for the eyes, keeping a little simple, but again I can see the filling of the brows is a little important because it's not proper. Okay, that is that. Next, definitely after the eye thing, I will be doing the kajal part. Now the sketch liners are the best, but again it depends. So today I will not be taking the black one. I will be taking the blue eyeliner because I wanted to make it a little different because the eyeshadows are almost of the same color going with the dress. So I need a little change, so I will be doing up with green on the blue liner, but I think the blue liner will go with my dress. So I have done the eyeliners. Next thing, I have already applied the contour. Now contour, I am using the Defining Duet Contour Stick. You can use the contour powder as well, but I like it the stick thing because that is very creamy and I really like working with it. Okay, the contour thing is done, and then definitely comes the mascara. Actually after the eyeliner the mascara should be there, but the eyeliner was a liquid one, so I wanted it to dry, and then I will be going over the mascara. For the mascara I'm using this Doll Eye Me On mascara, and now that's the mascara which I am using, and this is an absolute amazing mascara which gives a volume to your eyelashes. And I absolutely love this. It gives a lot of volume to your lashes. My lashes are really less, so I always look for the mascara that give volume to my lashes. For the lower lash, I am doing this, but again, if you want more volume, you can definitely build up this mascara. This mascara is that good. Honestly, I wanted to build it up more. Yeah, so I usually do not use false eyelashes, but again, if definitely you are willing to, you can definitely go ahead, but I do not use false lashes. The next thing which I will be doing is definitely lip color. Okay, before that, let me do a little bit of the illumination or the blush. Now I'm using this Swiss Beauty Instant Glow Shimmer Brick, and that's the color 1. And definitely I will be going for the fan brush that gives me more precise thing. And so first I'll go with the blusher. Very light. I do not use too much of the blusher thing. This is how it pigmented, but just gonna, I hope it is not going too light, so yeah, it's absolutely fine. Okay, so next thing I will definitely be going is with the kind of highlighter. Now for the highlighter, I will be using this gold, since it's Mars highlighter powder. It is the gold shade because it's a festive season, and definitely gold is something which is everybody's favorite. So that's how it looks like. It's very pigmented. It's very pigmented. So I have to blend this because this is that pigmented. Again with the other blush, I will be blending this. Okay, and then definitely I will take the white one over the bridge of my nose. So this is the upper one. Okay, and then next thing is definitely the hairs. Now just gonna run the comb through my hairs. Earrings, I did not got any earrings to do right now, but definitely you can go for the earrings. The last thing is definitely would be your lip color. Now I am using this Read My Lips lip gloss. You can use matte or anything, but I generally do not like matte, so I will be using this particular lip gloss, which says lip gloss, but this is actually a tinted one. It's a very pretty color. It's super pretty color. Yeah, that's that, and that completes my look. And the last thing I would have been done is with the earrings or probably bindi. Now I am not a very big bindis fan, so I definitely don't go for bindis and all. But yeah, if I wanted to know, that's my makeup look for this festive season, very simple one, and doesn't consume a lot of time, and at the same time looks just wow. So I really love creating this look for you guys. Do let me know how you liked it, and what is the next thing that you want to see. Do let me know in the comment section, and I'll definitely go ahead with that, your request. So before we get going with the video, I would definitely be like you to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share, comment, and also follow me on Instagram as Rituparna Datta Dev, and also on the Facebook. All the handles will be in the description box, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.